Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I did this colorful purple glitter with colorful under eye look. I got like an alien head vibe going on right now. I look like the alien emoji, but yeah, I wanted to record something fun and colorful for springtime. I feel like I did a purple colorful look before. I gotta look in my archive and see. I think I did purple glitter before somehow, but not the specific purple glitter, so let it not be confused because I used 5 glitters for this glitter. But I did something different when I added the colorful under eye, so hopefully that makes it a little bit different from the previous purple glitter look I had. Let me first start off by saying welcome back to my channel. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the bell to be notified every time I post videos. Follow me on social media, Shiley1990 on Snapchat, Twitter, and TikTok. Shiley1990 Makeup on Facebook and Instagram. And I'm not gonna ramble too much. Your girl's glad to be back. And if you guys want to see how I created this look, then stay tuned. So I already did one eye off camera. This is what I came up with. So I'm gonna go ahead and walk you guys through the other eye. So first things first, don't let your mirror fall. I took this Morphe concealer, and this is in CO.OO. This is the whitest one that they have. It's from Morphe, and I put like 4 dabs on the back of my hand. Like that's where that white is. Then I picked up this AOA Studio E107 brush. It's this flat top slanted brush, and I picked some up, and then I put this on in like a circular shape, so just tap to get the shape first. And I'm gonna take this Zulu palette from Juvia's place, and I'm gonna take this purple and pick it up on this Morphe M433 brush. It's a fluffy blending brush. And that's gonna be our transition color. So same thing, pack that down, put it down, like just place it and then blend. Then I'm gonna take this Morphe M321 brush, and I'm going into this Morphe 35M palette. It's the Boss Mood palette. And I'm gonna pick up Transformer, which is this dark purple color. Place that in the crease and then blend it. I don't know, is it worth it? Like at an angle. So like flare it out towards the end. Can you guys see that? Because we're not doing a wing today, we're doing a whole slanty thing that I do. So then we're gonna cut the crease with my favorite brush to cut creases with, and I'm picking up, I already had some left over on the back of my hand. I'm picking up this Ulta Beauty matte eye primer in Nude. And that's what we're gonna cut the crease with. I'm just gonna take this Morphe M421 brush, it's a flat brush, and we're gonna go into the Jackie Aina palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, Jackie Aina palette collab. And we're gonna take Shookington, which is this purple shimmer color down here, and put that down right where we cut the crease at. That same E107 brush, and without putting any more on, just diffuse that edge. Blend those two colors together. Then I'm going to take this NYX Matte Liquid Liner, and this is in black. take my NYX Glitter Primer, put some on the back of my hands, like that much. I probably didn't need that much. That's probably enough for 2 eyes, but oh well. I'm gonna put that, very carefully put that right over that purple we put down. Then I'm gonna put down my glitter, and then I'm gonna show y'all what glitters I used. Glitter combination. I took this NYX Crystal Glitter, which is this pretty silver glitter. I took this Bitzy Nail and Body Glitter in La La Lavender, which you guys know this is one of my favorites. I took this Magic Purple Glitter. This is some glitter I just got from the beauty supply store. I took this dark purple glitter that I got from Michaels. It looks black, but it's like a dark, deep purple color. And I took this medium purple color that I got from Michaels. I actually got it, let's see. I actually got it in this set. This is $15.99, and I got it with 60% off, so I paid like, I forgot how much I paid for it, but it comes with all these beautiful, chunky, and fine, extra fine glitters. So yeah, I bought these. I bought this yesterday. I thought this was a good investment because I love doing glitter looks, and come to find out, you can do glitter looks with craft glitter. You just have to be extra, extra careful because it's not cosmetic glitter. Just a little advisor. So, moving on to the eyes. Moving on with the eyes, I should say. I'm gonna take probably my last crayon case wipe. And I missed the Taxman sale. It started yesterday at 1 o'clock. It started yesterday at 1 o'clock in the morning, and I missed it. So I ain't get the wipes this year. But I just use that to clean up. They're the 17th, I think. So they're not as complicated. So I'm gonna take this Eye Envy by Kiss Super Stronghold Lash Adhesive, and this is in clear. And I'm gonna take this Urban Decay Perversion Mascara and put 1 coat on my top lashes. I'm gonna take my Pond's Dry Skin Cream. I'm gonna take this NYX Bear With Me Hydrating Jelly Primer. Elf Poreless Putty Primer. That's the one that looks like this on the inside. It's like slightly pink. Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless, and this is in 338 Spicy Brown. Get a beauty sponge. It's just a pop-off sponge. And buff it up. And I'm gonna take my LA Girl Pro Concealer and Fawn. Those are all the normal places I conceal. Blend that out with the same beauty sponge. And then I'm gonna take my Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick, and this is in Espresso. That's probably a lot. So those are all the normal places I conceal. Contour, I'm sorry. Then I'm gonna take the same beauty sponge and buff it out. Okay, then I'm gonna take my NYX Highlight and Contour Pro Palette, and I'm gonna take Tan and pick that up on a AOA Studio F14 brush. Tap off any excess. Bring it around town. MAC Mineralize foundation in medium dark. Pick that up, my beauty sponge, tap off the excess on the back of my hand, and use that to set my under eye. Into the eyes, I'm gonna take this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil and Milk. Put that on my waterline. Back into the Zulu palette, and I'm gonna pick up this turquoise color. Tap off any excess. And put that right in my waterline and on my lower lash line. M408 brush. Sorry, smudge brush. Then I'm gonna take this e.l.f. concealer brush, and I'm going to pick up Soleil, which is this color right here. I'm gonna actually take Trust Issues, which is this white shimmery gold color. That's gonna be our inner corner highlight. And we're gonna do a brown bone highlight today. The Beauty Ultimate Lashes Mascara. Excuse me, and put 2 coats on my bottom lashes. This orange color on an Ulta Beauty cheek brush. Add to that. See what I'm talking about? See what I'm talking about? Orange. Orange you glad, like, what the hell? Go over that with that beauty sponge. Highlight. I'm gonna take Soleil. Ooh. Soleil, which is this color right here, on this e.l.f. highlighter brush. My Ruby Kisses Auto Lip Liner in dark brown. Broadway Kisses, Broadway Vita Lip Mango Butter. Mario Badescu Facial Spray with Aloe, Herbs, and Rose Water. And this NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. Take a beauty sponge and press that all into my face. Okay, so this is the completed look, you guys. Hopefully you guys like it. I tried to do something a little different since I felt like I had already did a purple glitter look. So hopefully you guys like the colorful under eye I'll pay attention to my arms. So hopefully you guys like the colorful under eye. Like I said, I don't know what to do with my hair, so that's why my hair is like this. Yeah. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell to be notified every time I post videos. Follow me on social media, Shiley1990 on Snapchat, Twitter, and TikTok. Shiley1990 Makeup on Facebook and Instagram. And as always, I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.